Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can order in train in Zomato. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Zomato app. So once you have tapped it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can order different kind of stuffs that you want to eat or you want to have it. So to order your train delivery, all you need to do is simply tap on the search bar and there you can find the delivery option. So simply type in train. So once you do this, you can find the option called meals at train seat. So simply tap on it and you will be redirected to this interface where you need to type in your PNR number. So PNR number is basically a number that is given after you book a seat on your train. So you need to simply type on it, and once you do this, you need to choose a station where you want your food to be delivered. Now simply select your restaurant and choose the menu and proceed to payment, and that's it. That's how you can simply choose your food and order Zomato in train. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this, so stay tuned.